Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Pallet of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very quick Warhammer news video. As per usual, if you like these videos though, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment down below. Now, without further ado, this has popped up on the Warhammer community website. Of course, they unveiled they hinted at what's going on when they did their weekly schedule for Twitch, and yeah, so what's happening is we're going to find out what is inside the Warhammer Age of Sigmar Dominion box set. That's right, there is the Dominion preview online this Saturday, so Saturday the 29th of May at 6 PM BST, so British Summer Time. And yeah, we're going to find out what's in the new edition of Warhammer Age of Sigmar. Now, I'm looking forward to this. This is what I've been looking forward to completely. Of course, they've been doing these rumour mill, rumour engine posts pretty much all week long, where they've been hinting at what's going on with the upcoming set, which of course is based in the realm of Gur, the realm of beasts. And yeah, we're going to find out. So, what is Dominion, you ask? It is the launch box for the new edition of Warhammer Age of Sigmar. For fans of Immortal Realms, this is quite simply the best box set ever. Right, I'm going to stop there. That's a bold claim. So we will see with that one. I hope they're right, but I will hold my breath on that one. If you looked on enviously last year as Warhammer 40,000 players cracked open their copies of Indomitus, this box set is like that. Dominion, however, has fewer bolt guns and undying robots, and more lightning warriors, and yeah, we're going to have to wait to see what's happening with the rest of this, with the other enemies in there. So, you've probably spotted the countdown timer over on the Warhammer Age of Sigmar website. Yes, I did. I have spotted that. I just haven't mentioned it much. And yeah, we'll find out what's going on. So, keeping up with a special series of cryptic rumour engine reveals, which they have done quite a lot of, as I've mentioned, but this weekend they're going to show us everything. So, this could be really good stuff. So they're going to unveil the whole box. There may be an extra few surprises in there as well. So, you know, we could be looking at some really good stuff. We'll be able to watch it on the Warhammer community this Saturday from 6 PM. And it will also be live on Twitch, of course. They're going to rifle through the content of the box, and yeah, if you are around the world, you have your different times where you're going to be able to watch it. So 6 PM UK time, 1 PM East Coast US time if you're in like New York, for instance, LA 10 AM, Australia 3 AM. That's yeah, quite a time to have to get up if you're an Aussie. Tokyo, Japan, though, 2 AM, and of course Germany, if you're in kind of mainland Europe, around about 7 PM, so not too far off the UK time for that one. Really good stuff. I'm looking forward to seeing what they've come up with in this box set. Hopefully some really good stuff, hopefully some nice stuff as well. Let me know in the comments down below what you're hoping for, what you're expecting, and anything like that. If you wish to as well, and you want to carry on the conversation without being in the comments of YouTube, I have a Discord server. You can join it for free. You do not have to do anything in there. You can have a bit of a chat about Warhammer. We can chat about Warhammer lore. You can post your pictures in there of what models you've been painting, what models you're currently on with, ask for advice, anything. And everybody in there will try and help you. A very friendly community. It's a very small community. The server has not been around very long. Feel free to join it by all means, and yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for more Warhammer goodies. Bye bye now.